kids gather round, it's story time. We're gonna learn about heroes so sublime. From Adam and Eve to Noah's great ark, the Bible's got tales that'll light up the dark. Moses parted seas, led his people free. David slayed Goliath, just a boy was he. Jonah in the whale, what a fish tale. These stories teach us faith will prevail. Daniel in the lion's den, brave and bold. Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, faith of gold. Fiery furnace couldn't shake their stance. God protected them, gave them a second chance. Joseph and his coat of many colors bright, sold by brothers but he turned out alright. Pharaoh's dreams he read saved Egypt from drought. God's plan for him was what it's all about. Esther, queen so brave, saved her people true. Mordecai stood tall, his